Kewa Datshi. Potatoes and cheese. A side dish from Bhutan. Serves 4. You will need 6 ingredients. Step 1. Cut potatoes into small pieces. Step 2. Put the potatoes along with some oil and salt in a saucepan or pot. Add 1½ cups of water. Step 3. Cut the cheese into small pieces, and when potato is almost cooked, add the cheese. You can add some chopped onions and tomatoes to taste. Don't forget the chili powder. Step 4. You don't want too much water in this dish, but don't let it dry up completely either. Add a little water every time it gets low. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.